For casual riders, serious cyclists, two-wheeled commuters, and everyone in between, nothing beats riding a bike. You get to take in the fresh air, enjoy a great cardio workout, and you can even save on gas. But there's just one thing missing, your four-legged sidekick. Riding your bicycle with your dog running alongside can certainly work for some breeds, but it's not practical for most dogs. A select few canines can handle the high-impact exercise and reliably ignore distractions, but for the rest of the pack, there are bike trailers. These attach to the rear axle of your bike so your pup can go along for the ride with their ears flapping in the breeze. Bike trailers are perfect for puppies who are prone to growth plate injuries from high-impact activities like running alongside a bike. Trailers are also great for seniors with limited mobility. But did you know that they're also suitable for young, healthy adult dogs too? Riding in a trailer can make it easier for you to get exercise without worrying about your dog getting overexerted or pulling you off course in pursuit of a squirrel. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend best bike pet trailers. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Burley design brand. Now your favorite four-legged friend can come along for the ride. The Burley Tail Wagon pet bike trailer is thoughtfully designed for easy loading and unloading, quick cleaning, and maximum comfort for your canine co-pilot. The large rear tailgate with low clearance makes loading and unloading easy, even for senior dogs or pups with shorter legs. Mesh windows provide maximum ventilation so your pet can enjoy the wind in their fur. Rear storage pocket provides easy access to treats, leashes, and other gear. The front panel can be rolled up and secured, allowing your pet to enjoy the scenery as you ride. With the included steel hitch and tow bar, the Tail Wagon comes with everything you need to bike with your dog. Once hitched, the flex connector allows the bike to lay flat while the trailer remains upright. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the Retrospec brand. Element and weather-resistant fabric with a 2-in-1 canopy and mesh shielding so your dog can enjoy the ride without pesky critters getting in the way. The unique folding frame makes the Rover pet trailer easy to store and bring along on your next adventure. The low-maintenance, 16-inch, one-piece molded nylon wheels have air-filled tires that easily inflate with standard bike pump. Do not overinflate. Includes internal leash and no-slip floor to keep your pup safe and secure. Hook up the trailer, clip them in and enjoy your ride. Rear doggy door provides easy entry and exit and securely zips for added safety. Plus, store treats, toys, and everything else you need with Rover Wagon's pooch pouch. Compatible with nearly all adult bicycles with included coupler. Number 3 in our top is from the Burley design brand. Just like your pet, the Bark Ranger dog stroller and bike trailer is always ready for an adventure. Designed for ultimate pet comfort, the trailer provides a secure ride for both you and your furry pal. The large rear tailgate and low clearance makes loading and unloading easy, even for senior dogs or dogs with shorter legs. With the included one-wheel stroller kit and height-adjustable handlebar, you can easily switch from biking to strolling. The removal floor makes cleaning up dirt, debris, and other messes simple. A level, elevated base allows the Bark Ranger to double as a kennel when not in use as a bike trailer or stroller. With the included steel hitch and tow bar, the Bark Ranger comes with everything you need to bike with your dog. Once hitched, the flex connector allows the bike to lay flat while the trailer remains upright. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the Schwinn brand. This is a perfect and safer way to take your fuzzy friend with you for a bike ride. Unique folding frame and quick-release wheels pack up neatly for compact storage and transport. Coupler easily attaches to almost any bicycle for added versatility. Rim material aluminum, air-filled tires inflate with standard bicycle wheel pump. Internal leash is adjustable so pets from leaping out of the trailer, holds one pet up to 50 pounds. Plenty of air ventilation. Safety flag is included. Rear doggy door allows for easy entrance and exit, 16 inches aluminum rims and air-filled tires. The included Schwinn universal coupler makes it easy to attach the trailer to just about any bicycle out there. Unique collapsible folding frame is perfect for family vacations and tidy compact storage. The internal leash is adjustable to prevent pets from leaping out of the trailer, holds one pet up to 50 pounds. Plenty of air ventilation and safety flag is included. Two-wheel design featuring 16-inch air-filled tires and molded rims limit torque placed on bicycle for a smooth and responsive ride. The #1 product is part of the PetSafe brand. If you want to get in a bike ride, but your pet isn't up to it, you can still take them along. Perfect for cycling to the dog park, you get a workout there and back, and your pet stays safe while you're on the road. For those who are nervous about leashing their pet to a bicycle, the Houndabout 2 solves that problem and your pet will love the ride. Solvit's design features an extra-wide wheelbase and a lower center of gravity to provide outstanding ride stability and easier access for pets getting in and out of the cabin. Special pockets hold plenty of gear including cell phones, keys, leash, water bottle, treats, and more. The front door on the trailer includes a zippered, mesh screen layer plus a zippered, clear vinyl layer to block wind and weather. Use them in different configurations, depending on riding conditions. The oversized sunroof provides ample airflow and room for pets to peek their heads out and look about. A removable, washable cushion keeps pets comfortable on long rides. Assembles quickly and folds down for easy storage or transport. Which bike pet trailer would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.
Oh.